Hello everyone, if your steering wheel is looking bad like this one, or you just want to customize your, I will show you how to do it on my Audi A3 by putting this new steering wheel from the Audi TT. Start by pulling the steering wheel towards you so you can access the screws of the airbag. At this time you can use your phone to take a picture of the inside so you can check which type of screw do you have. In my case it was a Torx type. Here you can remove the key and turn the steering so you can lock the steering, so it will be easier to remove that big nut. Normally this will be really tight, so you might need to use a breaker bar and help of someone to hold the steering and take that nut off. Or if you are really strong as me, you can just use your knees. Just kidding, this is a bit loose because this is not the first time I removed the steering. Unlock the steering again and try to let it as straight as possible. Also, there exists some marks on the steering that will help you to align when you put the new one. Here I remove the 4 bolts, but if you don't want to get all of this work, you can just remove the yellow plug and skip this part. Make sure you align the marks. Recheck if the marks are aligned. Remove the key and lock the steering so you can tighten everything up together. Now you can reconnect the battery and, just for safety, wait 30 seconds at least, so you make sure nothing will explode or damage you. Just for safety, of course. After waiting, turn the key on and check if the airbag light goes off as normal. As you can see, it's a pretty and simple job. You can make it on your own. That's the purpose of this channel, of course. Tell me in the comments if you like this modification or not, of course. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.